Stop scrolling. Look at this channel right here. It's making over $10,000 a month posting simple history facts. And this one, it's pulling in millions of views with AI-generated motivational stories. The secret? None of these creators are actually filming anything. No camera, no expensive studio, just a laptop and a couple of AI tools that do 99% of the heavy lifting. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube empire from scratch. We're going from a blank page to a fully edited, high-quality video in less than 10 minutes. I'll show you the god-tier prompts for Gemini to get viral scripts and the hidden CapCut AI features that basically edit the video for you. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to slice the AI revolution, grab a coffee. We're starting right now. Step 1 is the brain. Most people fail because their scripts are boring. We aren't going to ask the AI to write a video about space. That's how you get a boring school project. We're going to use what I call the viral retention prompt. Watch this. Open Gemini, it's free and has access to real-time data. We're going to type this. I want you to act as a viral YouTube script. Write a 3-minute script about insert niche. For example, the dark side of psychology. Start with a psychological hook that targets the viewer's curiosity. Use short, punchy sentences. Include a pattern interrupt every 30 seconds to keep people watching. End with a cliffhanger that leads to a subscribe button. See that? It just gave us a structure that's designed to keep people glued to the screen. Copy that text. We're halfway there. Now, we take that brain and give it a body. Open CapCut. If you didn't know, CapCut has a hidden feature called Script to Video. It's absolute magic. 1. Paste your script. Throw that Gemini masterpiece into the box. 2. Voice selection. Don't use the generic robot voice. Look for the narrator or energetic tones. You want something that sounds like a human with a soul? 3. Smart generation. Click Generate. CapCut is now scanning your text, finding relevant stock footage, adding transitions, and syncing the voiceover. It's doing about 4 hours of manual editing in roughly 60 seconds. But wait, don't just export it yet. That's what lazy creators do, and their videos look like AI. We're going to make it look premium. To make this go viral, we need to add the human touch. First, look at the captions. Go to auto captions and choose a dynamic template. In 2026, people watch videos on mute. If you don't have captions popping up, you're losing 50% of your audience. Next. Swap out any clips that look too stocky. If the AI put a video of a guy smiling when the script is talking about a dark secret, change it. CapCut has a massive library, just search and replace. Finally, add a background music track. Lower the volume to around Hotskaby. You want it to be a heartbeat, not a headache. Now, let's talk money. How do you actually get paid for this? Method 1. The long game. YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts sending you checks. Method 2. The fast track. Affiliate marketing. If your video is about wealth, put a link to a budgeting tool or a trading course in the description. You can start making money on day 1. Method 3. Freelancing. Take these skills to Fiverr or Upwork. Companies are desperate for short-form content. You can charge $50 to $100 per video for something that takes you 15 minutes to generate. Look, the tools are free. The information is right here. The only thing missing is you actually hitting upload. If you want my personal list of the top 10 niches that are exploding right now for AI channels, I've put a link in the description, totally free. Don't wait for the market to get crowded. Start today. Smash that like button if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.